Today's really shitty. It's like cloudy and windy AF.
It's ugly out here.
It's ugly. But you know what's not ugly is... Yeah, I got him.
Okay, well, you want to take your car? Or...
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go to Olive Garden because I want to, and
Because I fucking want to.
because I want to.
Fucking get there.
I know, I can never leave the house without at least cat or dog hair on me.
It's hard. It's a tough life.
What's that? Is that not good? Is that... You have a whole glass of that.
Yeah. It's gonna take me all day to drink it. I'll get some water too. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you wanna... It's a little sip
Just,
sip?
yeah, I'll just
It's pretty tasty, and it's got like those little mint leaves in there.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Right? So I got stuffed cheese shells with meat sauce and crispy fried shrimp, and Nicholas got...
The stuffed ziti Frita with 5 cheese marinara and shrimp and scallops.
Bam. If you know, then you know, and if you don't know, well, now you know. Super Toscana all day.
Super Toscana.
Delish. They learn how to make this soup. It's dope. Dude, I don't know how they do this to my mouth. Look at all that. Cheese. And shrimp. Oh, I'm in heaven. Total and complete heaven. What you love? Is it bomb?
Look at the size of that shrimp.
One could say it's been a very good morning.
Yep.
Hi.
Here we are, because we did what we had to do.
Rem's like, that's my toy? Hey, baby. Oh, you're just a little sweetheart.
But how would you know what that is?
I think my wife.
Sit. 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 Oh, he's a good boy. Rem, you too.
Oh my god.
Yummy. So Nick has prepared a little filet mignon for lunch with some Sperry guys. Thank you, Chef Nicholas.
Yeah, anytime. Just let me know.
I've never had filet mignon, so
You've never had alcohol lemon.
I've never had a filet mignon.
Well, I hope you like it.
I do too.
I hope I didn't ruin it.
Looks delish. This will be tasty. Let's see what the rest of the fam's doing. This guy's getting ready to beg from us, and this guy's just happy to be here. Huh, Ollie? Huh, Ollie? Ram? Hola, mis amigos. We're on our way to the movies to watch Hansel and Gretel. I'm pretty excited. So, there was another movie that came out. I really wanted to watch it, but I heard it sucked. What is it? It's that one with those crazy kids. She's a nanny. I was talking about it freaking ever. The Turning. That's what I wanted to watch. The Turning. I heard it was a really bad movie, so now I'm scared. Actually, people said Jumanji was a bad movie too, but I loved it, so. This is day 4 with our new pup. And we decided his name is Oliver. But Ollie.
His name's Ollie.
But Ollie. It's Ollie. And he got a shot today, and it hurt me more than it hurt him, honestly. He didn't cry, he didn't flinch, nothing. I was over here in my feelings like, oh, this poor puppy right now is getting a shot. And then he was totally cool. He's such a good boy. And Nick taught him how to sit already, and he's going potty outside. He's just the sweetest little puppy ever. family has grown one. I've been played. Okay, so Hansel and Gretel story that I know is two little kids going into the forest, and they're starving, and they come upon a house made of candy, all made of candy, and then they head in and they start eating all the candy, and then the witch gets them, right? And she tries to cook them, but then they throw her in the fire, in the oven, and she dies. And then they're both like, peace. That's the story I know. Anyways, that's not what the movie's about. Movie is very different.
I kept waiting for it to be scary, and
Yeah,
it wasn't really scary.
It just wasn't scary at all, which is very upsetting to me.
It had a very I'm gonna be scary vibe to it, and then it wasn't
And then
scary.
it just wasn't. So if you thought what I thought and was gonna go watch it, then just don't do it. What a shitty movie.
It's just 48 hours until the month's banquet, and I've still got a lot to learn. So I'm heading to a remote village where I've heard there's a forest that packs a punch of.
It's bath time. Nick brought home this Pineapple Express CBD infused bath bomb. Pretty stoked to use it. So let's see here. It says contains shea butter to moisturize and CBD to relieve muscle and joint pain, inflammation, sunburns, rashes, and skin problems, headaches and migraines, depression and anxiety, menstrual cramps, and more. Cute. So it's got this cute little paper wrapping here. Ooh, it's so pretty, and it's got like gold little flecks in it. Ooh, and it smells just like pineapple. Gently place in. We will revisit this once it's all fizzed up. That CBD bath bomb was amazing. I feel great. My skin is very, very smooth, nice and soft, and I just feel very relaxed. I definitely recommend that right before bed. I feel like if you do it in the morning, you're gonna want to take a nap after. So definitely do it before bedtime. And also, I get out of the bath and I'm like, you know, brushing my teeth, flossing, all that good jazz. And look who decided they were gonna keep me company. Like, you totally didn't have to sleep there, little guy.
Yeah. Without a doubt.